Yo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, so far, we've shown you some seriously crazy RC toys. Insane pens that do more than just write, and power banks that could probably jumpstart a car. But today's video is on a whole other level. Seriously. Because the gadgets we're unboxing today, I honestly don't even know what most of them are. My team went on a mission and ordered everything that is currently blowing up and trending all over the internet. And today, we're discovering them together for the first time. I'm excited, I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready. Let's begin. Alright, let's get into our first box here. Okay, interesting packaging. Wait a second. There's no name on this. It's just a plain brown box! What is this thing? Oh! Wait! I've seen this on Reels! Guys, this is a Tesla coil. A legit desktop Tesla coil. And look at this thing. It's fully transparent, so you can see all the electronics inside. It's got a frequency control knob, a power control knob, and get this. A music mode? This is already wild. Okay, let's fire this up. Whoa. Look at those electric sparks. You can literally see the electricity arcing between the coil and the antenna. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. This is incredible. But what can it actually do? Let's test it out. I've got a small leaf here. Let's see what happens when we bring it close. B-R-O. It's literally burning the leaf. It's setting it on fire with electricity from a distance. That is just nuts. Okay, what about a light bulb? I've got a regular fluorescent tube here. Let's bring it near the coil. Whoa! It's lighting up in my hand with no wires attached. It's like I'm a wizard holding a magic wand. This is pure plasma energy. Okay, my brain is already buzzing with ideas. Now, imagine this, but with an action figure. I've got Goku right here. I'm just gonna wrap a little bit of this thin copper wire around him and place him on top. Check this out. It looks like Goku is powering up, shooting actual lightning from his hands. This is what it would look like in real life. This gadget looked pretty cool and scientific in the beginning, but now, after playing with it, this is officially insane. This is a must-have for any desk. Okay, let's move on to the next gadget. Box number 2. Let's see what we've got. Oh, this one is cute. Look at this little guy. This is a smart AI planter. That's right. You put a regular plant inside this pot, and it suddenly becomes an AI plant. It's got this little digital face on the front, and it literally shows emotions based on the plant's needs. Look at the screen right here. It shows the temperature, the humidity, the water level in the soil, and how much light it's getting. And of course, the facial expressions. Right now, it looks pretty happy and content. But watch this. It's telling me it's a little thirsty. So let's give it some water. As I pour the water in, look at its face. It's drinking. It's got this happy, gulping animation. This is officially the cutest gadget on my desk. If you're like me and you always forget to water your plants, this little guy will make sure you never kill another one again. It's like having a little plant. Tamagotchi. I love it. Alright, on to box number 3. Now this one, I have a feeling this one is for me. My screen time is absolutely crazy. I spend hours editing, gaming, and just staring at my phone, and I always get these tension headaches right behind my eyes. This is an eye massage. It looks like a futuristic VR headset, but instead of showing you a virtual world, it gives you a spa-level massage. Let's put it on. Oh, okay. Wow. The first thing you feel is this gentle warmth that just melts away the tension, and then the air pressure kicks in. It inflates and deflates these little cushions that gently press on all the key acupressure points around your eyes. And there's a subtle vibration, too. Guys, I think I might just end the video right here and take a nap. This feels incredible. It even has built-in speakers that can play calming music. This thing is perfect for unwinding after a long day, for taking on a long flight, for dealing with stress. Basically, for everything. If you stare at screens all day, you need this in your life. Next up, we have something that, well, this is the future. This little orange square is called the Rabbit R1. And it's not just another gadget. It's a completely new way of interacting with technology. There are no apps. There's no touchscreen you have to fumble with. You just talk to it, and it does everything for you. Book a cab, order your favorite pizza, play a specific song, translate a conversation in real time, search for information, even recognize objects using its camera. It's powered by a new kind of AI, a large action model, that can actually use apps and websites on your behalf. Let's test it out. Hey Rabbit, what's the weather like in Tokyo right now? And there it is. A simple, clean answer. Hey Rabbit, can you play some lo-fi hip-hop? Done. It's learning my favorite artists and services. This is not just a gadget. This is a true AI assistant in your pocket. It's designed to make your life simpler, not more complicated. The era of 1,000 apps might be coming to an end. Okay, after looking at the future, let's go old school for a minute. Let's go back in time. Wow. This is a vintage-style vinyl record player. But it's not just any record player. Look at the quality of this thing. The beautiful wooden finish, the clear dust cover, the classic tone. It's a work of art. And it comes with real records. Real, physical music. In a world of streaming and digital files, there's something so special about this. Let's put a record on. You hear that? That little crackle before the music starts. That's the sound of authenticity. The sound is so warm, so rich. It's not just about listening to a song, this is an experience. It's about taking the time to carefully place the needle, to sit back, and to just get lost in the music. This creates a vibe that no playlist on your phone ever could. It's pure nostalgia and pure class. Alright, next gadget. Now, this tiny little thing is an absolute monster. Don't let its size fool you! This is a mini jet fan. It looks like a tiny hairdryer, but it's basically a pocket-sized jet engine. Let's turn this on! Bro! This thing is powerful! I can feel the air from across the room. The amount of force this little thing generates is just insane! It's perfect for cleaning all those hard-to-reach places. You can blast the dust out of your keyboard, clean your camera lenses and sensors, get all the dust from behind your TV or computer. It's way more powerful and sustainable than those cans of compressed air. You just recharge it via USB-C. This might be the most surprisingly useful and powerful gadget in this entire video. Every tech lover needs one of these. It's a cleaning beast! And now, for our last gadget of the day. Get ready to rock out! These are air drums. That's right. No giant, expensive drum set needed. You just hold these two smart drumsticks. Imagine the drum set is right in front of you. And just start playing. Check this out. It's completely wireless, connecting to an app on your phone or tablet. The sticks are incredibly responsive. They track your movements perfectly, so a tap in the air becomes a snare hit, a crash cymbal, or a kick drum. It feels so natural. You can learn beats, play along to your favorite songs, or just jam out and create your own rhythms. It's silent to everyone else if you use headphones, so you can practice anytime, anywhere, without bothering your family or neighbors. This is insanely fun and a great way to get into drumming without the huge commitment. So there you have it. 7 of the most insane trending gadgets on the internet right now. Out of all of these, I think my personal favorite has to be the mini jet fan. It's just so unexpectedly powerful and useful, but I want to know which one did you like the most. Was it the electric magic of the Tesla coil? The adorable AI planter? The mind-blowing rabbit AI? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here and you love seeing crazy gadgets like these, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video. It really helps the channel out. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next insane gadget video. Peace.